Texas State. RSVP today by emailing Macy Weird at mlutheran@sorley.edu. Teenagers just around the corner. Football caps off the spring season on April 12th with a spring football game at 2 p.m. Admission is free for all fans. On fans of the Mini Hoop Dunk Contest. Take it away, Abby.
Hey, children fans, we're doing the Mini Hoop Dunk Contest. This is the name of Noah, Cooper, and Will. Alright, Texas fans, you're going to vote on who has the best dunk. Alright, first we're going to start off with Noah. Are you ready? Alright, go ahead and take your best shot, Noah. Here you go, this is your man. Oh, with one hand. So close, so close. Alright, Cooper, you're up next. Whenever you're ready. Y'all cheer him on, ready? Cheer him on. Oh, slam dunk. Way to go, Cooper. Alright, last one. We have Will right here. You ready, Will? Alright, go ahead. Ready, dribble, here you go. Oh, Will. Alright, fans, let me tell you who wins. First, we have Noah here. Who thinks Noah should win? Alright, Noah Cooper. Alright, last but not least, Will. Alright, I think Cooper is our winner tonight. Thank y'all so much for playing. Can I get a go trophy?
Fans hungry or thirsty, find one of the 4 stands on the concourse to satisfy your cravings. Invest in champions by becoming a member of the Trojan Warrior Club. Your support is